Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Simple Creations by Zia, and today I'm back with another project. And this is a very fun project which I've been working on. I've designed all these like elements in this book, and some I have used some templates which were readily available. This is called the Busy Book. So it's a way, like it's a fun way to keep your kids, toddlers away from screen, keeping them engaged in a very creative way. This kind of helps them in developing their logical thinking, problem solving skills. It is an amazing way of keeping your toddlers busy and making them learn something fun. So this is how the book's cover looks like. It says, "Hi, my name is Nuzema." This kind of makes them feel like very engaged and attached to the book because they have their name on the book. This is my first busy book. So the first thing they learn is the spelling of the name. So here it says Nuzai. Okay, so where's I? I is here. They have to pull it up and then they can put it. Okay, so this is how the book works. They can spell their name, and then comes the first page. Here we have got all the vegetables, and this is kind of like a shadow matching activity. They can simply pull the images from this side of the page and they can put it where it belongs. And then we have the next one. Okay, so they can simply match the shadows and put the vegetables where they belong. Then the next page is tracing page. Okay, so this helps them to learn how to write ABCs. So let's quickly see how this works. And this is reusable. Okay, it's not that once when they've written anything, it's done. They can always write it down. Then you can take a sponge or something like that and then just simply go over it. That's it. Okay, so like this it can be used again and again until they get the words, sorry, get the letters very properly. And this is like so much fun. They can sit and trace whichever letter they want, and then it can be wiped off clean. Then comes the next that tells them about colors. So here we have the places where the color should go, and this also kind of teaches them how to match. And then this is green. Oh, this is yellow, but this is green, so the green will go here. Okay, so it's like very creative way of teaching colors to the kids. Then we go to the next page. Here they learn about the shapes. Now for the shapes, they have just the outline of the shapes with the name written. Of course they can't read it, but maybe later on they can just read the word and put. But for now they have to do like shadow matching. So it's written rectangle. They can search for the colored image which matches it, and then they can put it there. So mommy can say rectangle, so they have to go and put the rectangle over there. Then mommy says triangle, so they just go and put the triangle on its place. In this way they will learn about the shapes. Then comes matching emotions. Okay, so this is a fun way to teach the kids how like express themselves. So for example, let's say sick. Okay, I'm feeling sick, so I'll put it there. Then the next is about numbers. This also like teaches them numbers from 1 to 10, and it's very fun. And these are the images, like, oh, it's one butterfly, so this is 1, so it goes there. Then this is 5. They have to search for the card which is having 5 images on it. Then they can count 1 2 3 4 5 and put the image on its place. Okay, then comes how is the weather. Of course they have to see and match which what is the weather outside and what are the kinds of weather they can see outside. Then again, this is a tracing page. So on this you can just ask the kids to trace the shapes and tell the names. So this will teach them how to like draw the basic shapes which are like on the very starting stages which they have to learn, and then they can just go and wipe it off. Then again, this is the lowercase tracing, and then this is just kind of like introduction to the vowels. Okay, so there's a picture which is of a hat, so they say hat, and hat is HAT, hat, right? So they put A over there, then they have to look for A, and there it is. Okay, so that's all about the book. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you liked it, you can go and check my description box. There you're finding the links to buy this book, and also if you want a digital file, editable file, you have to just message me. I'll be uh, sending you the digital files. So both the digital files and the physical product is for sale. Please contact me if you need anything. Until next time, happy crafting.